with a grown-up face with one best friend. It was easy going broke. Life was anything.
Pine straw beds, tangerine tears, t-shirts laid out like our grief throughout the years. We say it all with bait on our lines. We rise and we fall along with the tide. In the heart of healing.
This week is our regional convention, and it is officially 2 days to the start of the regional convention. The convention will be happening on Friday, and today is Wednesday. I have just been looking at the days. Like, it's not like I've not started preparing. I've been preparing since a while now. But then now the actual preparation, crossing the I's, dotting the T's, you understand, all those things is what I'll be doing in this vlog. So I went to my one, and guys, this my one trip today was an eye-opener for me. Like, I didn't realize that there were places in my one that looked like Lagos. When I meant that looked like Lagos, I meant like serious importers of certain items like hair extensions, weave-ons, wig. And I'm not talking about shops like these usual shops where you see a lot of items. I'm talking massive wholesalers of those items, extensions and all. And I also saw a shop that had loads and loads of clothes. Okay, will I call it thrifted clothes, bill, okrika, jeans for adult male and female, and then for kids as well. Like, I took the lady's number because I'll definitely be going back to that shop. I saw that shop when I was looking for a white t-shirt that I want to wear in this convention, and I was just blown. And I'm sure that there are other places in my one that I don't know. Let me show you guys what I got from my one. This is the bag I took. And everything I bought contained right in. So I got this red bag. I needed a red bag, and I got this one because I want to pair it with a red shoe and a black dress. I love this about the bag. Then there is this black bag. I love this. It's very heavy, and it's obvious that it is like very strong steel because this is a thrifted bag. So this is what the inside looks like, you know, something that can carry my purse and lip gloss, pencil, biro, and a jotter, and I'm good to go. So yes, this is it. It's very strong. Take it from me. Accessories. I have other earrings, but I really wanted a chunky bracelet, and so I decided to get this. I wanted a chunky bracelet. Yeah, this is it. Okay, so this is the chunky bracelet. It's very big. Let me put it on my hand so you guys can see. I love it. It's actually very fine. Here. And then I got this ring. Yeah. Then I got a white shirt. I wanted to get a white shirt. So I wanted to get a white shirt, and I was able to get one. It was my exact size. Extra large. I love it. I love it. I want to take this to a dry cleaner so that he would wash and iron it properly. Or I'll probably just throw it in my machine and then iron it. That's probably what I will do. But then, yeah. Yeah, this is the piano chords that I got, and I got two. I want to believe two will be enough. I don't want my hair to be too full. And these chords are 30 inches, so by the time they cut it in two, it will be able to give me what I want. But I really haven't got piano chords before, 27 and 30. So I want to bring it out and see what it looks like. That's what I went with Grace. This is her own. She got this color. And then I saw this boo-boo dress. You know this boo-boo dress that they used to. So I just wanted something light. I saw it. I love the color. Something light that you can wear like around the house. You can wear this outside anyway, but like me, I got it because I want to wear it around the house. It's very light and it's very free.
I doubt that we can solve it. Been trying for so long, and I just can't ignore that it won't ever be the same. I got all that I need. No need to apologize. No, we won't waste any.
Then another thing that is annoying me is, you see this my bathroom door. It's so annoying. I don't like all of those things on the door. I've been thinking of a way to take those things off, but I can't take them off because when we wanted to fix this door, we asked this guy to give us a white PVC door, but then he got a green PVC door. So if you peel out this white strips here, what you will meet you is a green. And imagine this room, and you now have like a lemon green, this kind of green. Okay, we now have that kind of green on the door. Frustrating, right? So that's why I didn't pull it out. But right now, because of the plenty write-off, I don't like seeing it. And I just remember that I have a marble sticker. Okay, wisdom. So I'm going to carry that marble sticker and I'll stick it on this door. So I'll do it on camera now so you guys will see it. This one marble sticker, I've been using it to do different small things. So I want to use this remaining one. I'm sure it's going to be enough to cover the outside of this door.
I ain't afraid of the dark. 'Cause once you let the light in, you won't see the beautiful stars shining down from afar. No, I ain't afraid of the dark. I don't mind the rain, bringing life back. We can breathe again when dealing with the pain. No, I don't mind the rain. And ooh, that's the way it goes. Life will teach you what you need to know. And ooh, like a river flows, life will take you where you need to go. So much easier to see who I am and who I wanna be.
Good morning, my neighbors. I hope you had a good night. It's the next day. I couldn't vlog all of the things I said I was going to vlog yesterday. I worked yesterday until 2 a.m. So yesterday I had a load of laundry. Okay, and by the time I was able to sort out this laundry, when I mean sort out, husband's clothes where it should be, kids' clothes where they should be, my own clothes where they should be, and then start folding and hanging each of them and put them in their various compartments, it was over 2 hours. Anyway, the kids have gone to school. This is what we did yesterday. Yay! Ooh! Like, I love it. See? What do you guys think, guys? Let me show you. This is what we did yesterday. That's those write-off that have been annoying me. To think I had these marble stickers in the house, and it took me this long to figure out I could actually use it for that. Like, it's so annoying. But yes, I love that it looks the way it looks now. Anyway, this morning, this is the day before the convention. It's convention time. I should be singing this tomorrow. But yeah, tomorrow is convention. So Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and today is Thursday. I want to make my hair my hairstylist will be coming to the house by 1. Our appointment is by 1. So she said she might come early, but I wanted to go to the market today and still wash this hair. But I might not meet up because this should be like past 10. I need to go somewhere along my street and wash this hair, stretch it, so that by the time she comes, it will be clean and stretched for her to walk. So I need to head out now, and I'll see you guys later.
Hello, Ramona. I can't shake the simplest feeling beyond the ghost. We stand on the opposite shore. Hello, Ramona. I reach through mysterious ceilings, my only hope. I look for the things I don't know. For all in this, I stand alone. Show me where the ending goes. Honest, honestly don't. I should be the last to know. We're all in this, I stand alone. Show me where the ending goes. Honest, honestly don't. I should be the last to know.
So I've shown you guys what I bought, and I want to start cooking now. I feel so lazy this period, like tired. I feel kind of sick, but I don't know. Anyway, I want to steam my meat right now. I got these locust beans. So I got locust beans. This is really not like, it's not easy to see around my area. So most times when I want to have it in my food, I have to go to like a market that is not close to my area. I remember that when we were in the north, my mom used to have this in her food, and I used to hate it. I did not like it. But then, as an adult, I now realize like this has a lot of health benefit. This is fermented, so it has like healthy bacteria that is good. Like it's like serious probiotics. And this is not the only fermented food we have in Nigeria that has like good bacteria. You have things like ogi, akamu, pap. Okay, we have what's this for? This stuff they use for uba. Okay, some of them are fermented videos. So I want to put this. I'm trying to use this for a TikTok video. Okay, that talks about like healthy bacteria, and like there's an angle I'm trying to come off with TikTok. I've not even been able to like piece it up together. I'm supposed to have posted this video last week, but I wasn't able to post it last week. I wasn't feeling well. Last week I was just not feeling myself at all. I'm beginning to get better now. That's why I picked up my camera. Like I have not picked up my camera in almost 2 weeks. It's not up to 2 weeks, but like almost 2 weeks. When we came back from the convention, I already started like feeling some type of way. So, but I'm better now. So, yeah. Let me hurry up and start steaming these meats for the soup.
I got all that I need. No need to apologize. No, we won't waste any more time. Yeah, I am all that I need. No need to apologize. No, we won't waste any more time. Yeah. Memories that we made won't fade away for a while. You said you don't mind, that you'll be just fine. No room for second chances. Hey, I got all that I need. No need to apologize. We won't waste any more time. Yeah, I am all that I need. No need to apologize. I got all that I need. No need to apologize. No, we won't waste any more time. Yeah, I am all that I need. No need to apologize. No, we won't waste any more time. Yeah, time.